So, you're driving home from work one day, and you feel a rumbling in one of your tires. You most likely have a flat. Rather than having to call AAA and waiting a long time for them to get to you, and missing your favorite primetime television show, I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to do it yourself, and so that you can save a lot of money and time. After you pulled over to the side of the road safely, and you took a spin around your car, now you've located your flat tire. This is the part where you start to fix your flat.
Go.
First, pop your trunk so that you can locate your tire fixing tools. For most cars, it's usually in your trunk or under the car. In this case, it's going to be in your trunk. Now, these tools consist of your jack, which is used to raise the car, your wrench to take off the bolts, and the flat tire itself. And always have a flashlight on just in case this happens at night. In this part, you must lift up the car first so that you may be able to take the flat tire out and put the spare tire in. To do that, you must use the jack. Place the jack under the car and onto the side where the flat tire is, and rotate clockwise for the car to start to go up. Once your flat tire has completely lifted up off the ground, that's how you know that you lifted up the jack enough. Then, what you must do is start removing the tire. If your car has hubcaps like mine does, first you have to remove that, which is pretty simple. Then, take your wrench and place the tip of the wrench onto the bolts and start unscrewing the bolts. Unscrew the bolts. The one that you unscrew the one diagonal to it. Remove the last bolt, and then place your wrench down and start to pull out the old tire, the flat tire. Put your flat tire to the side and acquire your spare tire. Take the spare tire and put it onto the wheel like this. Then put the bolts back on and start to screw them in. Once you've completely tightened your bolts, place your wrench down, and now you need to lower your car. You can do this by moving your jack counterclockwise. Once you have lowered your car completely, take your jack out and put all the rest of your tools away where they belong. There are 3 things you must remember after you have completed this process. Number 1 is get your tire fixed as soon as possible, and until then, don't drive over 50 miles an hour, or your spare tire will explode. The last thing is maintain your tire pressure using a tire pressure gauge so that you can prevent this from happening in the future. So now you know how to fix your tire by yourself. You'll save a lot of time, a lot of money, not to mention you'll make it in time for your TV show. So be safe, be happy, and drive safely. Thank you.